should be here now. It's actually here. Got it.
Dude, quit interrupting. Hey man.
Hey man.
I'm trying to shoot a vlog here.
Aren't you loud?
Hey man, you're gonna have to leave. Okay, just park in the grass window. Okay. Anyways, we went to the bank.
I have to
I'm buying Coda's car off of him today. Here you go, Coda.
Thanks, bro.
We're not buying Coda's car. We're buying America. Today we're buying America. Why? Because I want to see what all this America hype is about. I found something on OfferUp. I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to go check it out right now. If it checks out, I'm buying it.
Buying America.
America. Where are we? What are we doing? I wish it was a cool car we were buying. It's just one of those things you're just doing it for the content. So please watch all the ads so we make our money back. Oh dude, there's my freaking burger.
Can I get that wing?
Dude, you can for sure get that wing. I'm thinking of putting the wing on the roof. I think that'll look a lot better. Does it drift? Why is the e-brake over here? All right, we have no e-brake, guys. Come on, baby. So we can't go to Apple Valley today. Oh, the top comes off. Oh boy, we're in for. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is definitely off-road use only. I kind of like it.
So Josh is thinking of getting this to tow the 2-car trailer?
Yeah, I figure the Eagles will help boy. Let's see what this mama do. Okay. Oh, she's going, boys. She's going.
Look at all those Eagles.
Look at the Eagles coming out to play with the brother. What do you think, Jordan?
Just tell him 6 doesn't work, e-brake doesn't work, this thing flew off, and
The motor broke.
you can get it for $3 grand.
I'm thinking more $2 grand.
Need those flags on this car.
America. You check out what I was listening to on the way here. My Dean. That's my man's right there. Had me going the whole way here. Corvette Club. Officially part of the Corvette Club. Did you see all the Eagles around me? When we were driving?
Where's it at?
Right there.
Oh my god. He really did that. What the heck? Oh my god. Dude, let's clean this up.
I think first things first, we have to get rid of all this carbon sticker. Oh my gosh. Look at the effort on this though. Gotta love the effort. He did great.
Hey, the other side is way better. This one's
He said, let's just
fantastic.
override it. This is for more airflow through the vents. Yeah. Oh, now that is nice. I love how it's underneath.
Oh,
All right, you want to hold all the stickers for me?
yes.
Okay.
You're nice, Papa.
The stickers are nice. I don't know about that.
I like that sticker.
You like the stickers? Oh, dang, the bald eagles are falling off. The carbon door handles though. This must have been a kit. Corvette kit.
I like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, once he gets here.
Oh.
Oh, that's right.
Like, I don't know if that's the guy.
That's his sister, he said.
No.
What the frick? In front of his face. Well, that's satisfying.
Man, look at you, man.
Professional.
Yes, you. Dude, it's not bad. I kind of want to put this back.
Kind of looks better with it.
It does look a lot better with it. So, we're here at VIP. Gonna have Norman wrap the roof black, wrap the C-pillars black, and give it that black dome look. First mod, I ordered side skirts, I ordered front lip. I'm gonna paint this diffuser black right here, just mask it off in it black. I ordered new floor mats for it. So I got some new turn signals, I'm gonna swap those out. Wheel adapters, gonna throw the T7Rs on here, so stay tuned. You guys doing boats too, Norman? Everything. Tint done. Just your man's right here. He refuses to touch the Corvette. Come on, dude.
You got it.
Whatever, bro. So, I got some parts for it, like I showed, and I'm gonna attempt to put everything on right now, see how far we get. Got it parked up in the middle of the driveway. I'm gonna throw the front lip on, the under panels, corner lights. Still waiting on the coils. I don't know where they are, but I guess it's easier to work on the car when it's not slim, so let's go. So bad. Dude, that's so bad.
What would you expect a Corvette?
Oh yeah, Corvettes are meant to be bad. Look at that. Pristine cuts right here. Dang, Coda, did you do bad on purpose for this Corvette? My line looks freaking perfect.
You draw this line.
What are those? This is why I don't have American cars. Freaking change the turn signal, you gotta take out the motor.
What kind of freaking crap is this? Bro, this is so stupid.
Bring it out.
Jesus, that was so ridiculous.
Little things, guys, little things. I'm gonna make you like Corvettes after this video, I promise. Coda's still not a believer. So we got the side skirt, under panels, front lip is on. Had the new corner lights, brand new bulbs because they were out. Now we're just waiting on the coilovers and the wheel spacers so I can throw my wheels on, but got the C5 floor mats in, interior is all detailed. Really juiced on this thing. Everyone hates it, but I honestly don't mind. It looks good.